Good morning. Ayan. Wala nga siya dito, so I cook omelette na lang for myself. Ayan. Lagay natin siya. So, kalahati lang nito kasi not too much. Lagay natin siya. Can you see? Yes. Just natin yung camera ko. Omelette is very easy to make, I think. Kaya pag hindi siya, minsan pag gumagawa ng tomato, ay naano siya, omelette, nasisira pag hindi siya, pag too much stuff. Pag maraming ingredients, siguro nasisira. Hindi siya perfect minsan, ang omelette. Practice lang hanggang sa makuha mo yung perfection ng omelette. So, maglagay ako ng kunting onions. Pag may sobra ko ng onions, guys, ayan, binabalo ko siya sa foil para hindi siya masira yung onions. Ayan. So, maglagay lang ako ng konting onions. Ayan. Small pieces. Tapos, isutin natin yung yung vegetables muna. Tapos, maglagay tayo ng dalawang itlog. Dito. 2 eggs. I have 2 eggs here. Lagyan natin ng salt and pepper. Panlasa, salt and pepper. Pwede rin lagyan ng eggs, ng cheese, yung omelette. Gamit ko ito sa next time. Lipat tayo sa kabila. Lipat tayo dito guys. Sa kabila guys. Sa kitchen. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. Ayan, lipat natin para makita nyo sa turn the stove. Medium heat lang. Medium heat. Ayan. So, ngayon nga maglagay, pag nainit na yung ganito kasi ako magluto guys every morning. Breakfast sa omelette ko. Can you see it? Yeah, so every morning ganito ginagawa ko. Magluluto ako ng omelette, ng breakfast. Tapos, yung omelette nilagay ko siya ng butter. Pwede na naman pwede oil. Pero butter na lang, I prefer butter. Yan. So let's heat it up. I'm gonna saute the onion first. So, mainit na ang ating cooking pan. So, maglagay tayo ng butter. Mahaba na yung oras ko. Baka hindi nyo na mapanood. Na buo. Ayan. So, let's cook the vegetable muna. So, suti muna natin yung yung tomato tsaka yung onions. Pag nag-ano na siya, soft na, pwede na siyang i-transfer sa plate. Yan. Smells good already. Smells good. The onions and tomatoes. Always smells delicious. Tapos lagyan natin yung hotdog sa kabila. Actually, hindi ko na lang siya transfer sa plato yung excuse me, yung onions and tomato. Kasi mimix ko naman siya sa namaya sa eggs, sa omelette. So, kasi yung hotdog mabilis lang siyang maluto. Luto na yung hotdog pero kailangan ko lang siyang initin. Fried a little bit. Dali lang magluto ng omelette. Very, fast. Smells good. Lower the fire to medium. Okay, it's almost done. Ayan. Okay, so it's ready na to guys. Lagyan natin sa plato. Okay, lagyan natin dito. Maglagay ulit tayo ng ng butter para sa eggs. Konti lang. Some powder for my eggs. Tingnan natin ito. No, it smells really, really good. I like the smell of the tomatoes and the onions mixed. Sarap siya. Okay, so lower the heat. Low medium para na sunog yung itlog natin. Lagyan na natin yung eggs. Ganito ako magluto ng omelette guys. So, depende sa inyo kung paano nyo gawin ang inyong omelette. Madali lang siya. So, be careful na. Tapos, mo dito sa gilid. Kasi madali lang siyang maluto. Okay. You can put cheese in here, but this time I will not put cheese. Lagyan natin yung vegetable natin at saka yung hotdog. Yan. Smells really good. Tapos, i-fold natin. Be careful na hindi siya masira yung eggs. I'm scared. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Fold it. There we go. in it. It's really good. Fold it. There you go. And hold it like this. Let's turn off the fire. Oh yes. Let's transfer sa plate. Yan. Okay. Let's transfer the this to here. That's it. Okay. That's my omelette. Yan. Can you see? That's my omelette, guys, right here. Sarap ha? Yan. Really good. Gawa naman tayo ng coffee. Partner natin dito sa aking, lagay natin dito sa lamisa. Ayan. It's my breakfast. So, I'm gonna make some coffee. I'm gonna use a, let's see, caramel. These are the caramel flavors. Try natin dito. Let's get to my cup. Use my cup here. And also guys, pag nag-coffee ako every morning, I mix with, let's see, I mix some collagen powder for my skin, you know. Kasi tumatanda na tayo, we have to take care of our skin. So, I mix this collagen powder sa aking coffee every morning, this one. Ayan. I mix this with coffee or smoothies. Actually, you can mix it with anything. You can mix it with pancakes, cold drinks, water. Kasi wala naman siyang flavors. Wala siyang flavors. So, plain lang siya. So, I mix it every morning sa coffee ko. Mostly sa coffee. With my breakfast. 1 scoop a day. Ayan. Ito yung ginagamit ko for my coffee. Yeah. Because I really, you know, not struggle, but we're getting older and we're aging, so we have to take care of our skin. Yeah. So, here's my coffee. It's brewing right there. 1 cup of coffee. Yes. So, I'm gonna do one more. Ay, hindi naka-close yun. So, yeah. Ako lang mag-isa ngayon magkakain ng my breakfast, 1 scoop a day. Ayan. Ito yung ginagamit ko for my coffee. Yeah. Because I really, you know, not struggle, but we're getting older and we're aging, so we have to take care of our skin. Yeah. So, here's my coffee. It's brewing right there. 1 cup of coffee. Yes. So, I'm gonna do one more. Ay, hindi naka-close yun. So, yeah. Ako lang mag-isa ngayon magkakain ng breakfast ko. So, if you guys are new to my channel, kung di pa kayo napag-subscribe, paki-subscribe na. Like and share and subscribe. Yes. So, one more. Maglagay ulit tayo ng isa. Hindi pa si puno eh. So, mamaya guys, ay mag-workout ako. Eh, sabi ng asawa ko, siya na lang daw magpapasok sa work. So, I'm gonna take a day off today. Almost done. My coffee. That's enough. Alright, so, I'm gonna put some cream. Lagyan mo natin dito sa gilid. So, let's put a 1 cup of powder here. Ayan. 1 scoop a day. 1 scoop a day ng collagen. Yes. Nabili ko rin to binili ng asawa ko sa collagen. Sa Amazon. Ano ba yan? Sa Amazon, yes. So, doon yung nabili. For me, diba? Kasi I'm crying about my skin. Can you see me here? Okay, never mind. So, let's eat guys. Let's eat. Kain na tayo ng breakfast. Kuha lang ako ng pork. Okay, so let's eat. It's time to dig in. And here's my breakfast. Dabili yung camera ko guys. Sige na guys, hindi natin patatagalin to yung video na to kasi sobrang haba na, baka hindi na mapanood. Kain na natin let's eat. And this is my breakfast this morning. Omelette with hot dog coffee. There we go. Very nice. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Harap. Try nyo to guys. Try nyo luto ng omelette. Masarap siya. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Mahaba na yung video ko. Yeah. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And give me a thumbs up kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ko. Thank you guys, and kain muna ako ng breakfast. Bye! See you next time. Bye! Have a nice day and God bless. Mwah.